Welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. Hope everybody's doing well. I want to do a quick update on Ruby and Greg. Greg's hopefully going to get back to work this week. Ruby is still he's still struggling. He is going in the right direction, but he's still struggling some. And I also want to do a quick update on the video I dropped. I dropped a short on YouTube, a YouTube short, which they're encouraging people to do it. I think you're going to have to do it to keep your channel growth. Because my channel's kind of stalled out as far as the growth. According to my analytics, my videos are not being recommended to new viewers, which has slowed down the channel growth. I don't know why. It's what it is. The algorithm, they changes. They started the shorts. They're doing different stuff. Whatever the case may be, I've dropped a couple shorts. I also got a Facebook campaign. Ad campaign I put out to try to bring some new subscribers in. With that being said, I want to encourage everybody to share the content on your social media to help me grow the channel. That's the only way the channel will grow, especially with the algorithm not giving me new viewers. Anyway, with that being said, thanks for watching. Let's roll into some content. Welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. That's what we do. Hope everybody's doing well. Anyway, we got called in. They got one sitting at their front office that somebody just left sitting here. So they want it towed. Well, it's broke down. Looks like it's broke down right in the middle of the parking lot. Wow. That's a crazy one, ain't it?
Right.
Oh, wow. Test drive tag parked in the front. I guess they're trying to sell it.
Where's the license?
Anywhere down is
Okay.
fine. Yeah. That's very strange. It could be stolen. You can't never tell what.
What it was, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. Good to see you. Yeah. We're gonna roll to the yard, man. Stay tuned. We got more coming. Hey, we're back on another one. Non-consensual towing. That's what we do. Pull up and yank cars. This thing's parked in the grass. I just left that office. I'm gonna stop and set my truck up and get my cable pulled out. It's still there. You can't see it behind the trees. I'm pretty certain it's right behind these trees. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna back in and get a chain on that rear hook on that Honda. Anyway, that's what happens when you park in the grass and the property manager don't want you parking there. You get yanked. Anyway, this guy, he just showed up at the office to get his car back. And I told him I got to give him the option to pay it out. That's his right by law. Yeah, 100. Yeah. There's your receipt. Yeah. Appreciate it. I'm gonna drop it here, and yeah, just be careful with your part, because it's not just you. It's a lot of problems. Okay. I'll drop it right here. Hey, I'm gonna pull up a little bit more because I don't want to hit the speed breaker. I'm gonna pull down just a little bit more, and then we'll get it off. Anyway, we did get the parking cheater, parking in the grass. He got yanked. Anyway, he wasn't real happy about it, but I let him pay it out, man. He's lucky that he caught me on property, because I was fixing to roll out. You have to get signatures on these cars. Every single car we tow, we have to get a signature before we can leave the property with it, and that's just how this business works. Anyway, stay tuned. We're rolling in. We got a van down here that they want it yanked. They just left the office, and this gentleman said this van's got to go. Yeah, it's had a sticker on it. This is not an easy one to do, but I got a snatch block, got everything I need to make it happen. So we're gonna go ahead and drag it on. Anyway, I could have got that car loaded a lot quicker if I would have rode over the curb into the grass right here. I'm not trying to run no curbs over unless I absolutely have to. The tow drivers, they go over curbs and medians and everything else to get the job done. But if I can keep from running over a curb, I won't run a curb over. Anyway, we got that loaded. We're gonna go sign it out, man, and go to the yard with it. Hey there, how you doing? You need to get a car out?
Yeah.
Oh, which one's yours?
The 2014 Honda Accord.
And when, you know when it came in?
August 18th.
Okay.
I already emailed a picture of my registration and my license. So
okay. Hey, let me drop this van right here, and it may be a process to, does it run? Are you gonna have it towed out, or? Yeah,
I'm gonna have it sent back to me. So
you're gonna have. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, hey, let me drop this right here, and I'll be in there in 1 second. Okay. I'll handle it for you. Anyway, evidently I didn't get that on camera, but that young lady came to get her car back. The repo company came and got it already. But she can go get the car back. The finance company told her if they got to it first to come get it from them, she can go make one payment and get caught back up, and they'll give her one chance. Anyway, unfortunately, she didn't get here quick enough. But the finance company, they want their money. That's just how it is. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to the next.